And then I guess I'll share my screen. And then screen 1. So leftist heaps lab version A. And then we'll take the quiz. Okay. Yeah.
Doesn't seem
Are these
too
all the
bad.
questions? Oh no, there is one with an actual doc or a picture at the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
That's still
Probably
not
mismatch
too
ones.
bad.
It's not. I just haven't looked at merging leftist heaps yet, so but I'll figure that out.
Yeah. Do you guys just want to do it in Paint? Because there's going to be a lot of cutting
We
and
actually
pasting and
got,
stuff.
like, what is it? In 3.14, we actually had this program called JFlop that makes it a bit more easier. to, like, make a
Nice.
tree.
I'm liking where this is going. I don't know. I'm
Dang,
sure
can you
we're
send a link to that or something?
Oh yeah. I'd have
Just
to
in
go.
case we have to use in the future. You don't have to do it now because we already
Oh,
started
yeah.
the recording, but
Yeah.
so this
It's called
doesn't actually
JFlap.
this doesn't actually do the tree forest. This just like helps us draw it.
Yeah.
Right, because the one he shows in the lab like looks somewhat similar, but it doesn't actually, or that one actually just does it for you automatically. But this looks like you don't do it.
Yeah. I think this is okay because we did
Yeah.
it for the other class.
Yeah. Do you want to start a new file or can you delete them?
Oh yeah. We can just rename them. So I guess the first one we're gonna do is 81, right? So I
Yeah.
think we need to take a screenshot each time.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll get 81. I will remove this. So yeah, we start with 81.
And then you add 80. So all those other numbers are like kind of grouped up.
Sorry. And then yeah. Well, yeah. How much to it? Yeah.
I wouldn't save it. I would just copy and paste it into the Google Doc directly.
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
That way you don't have a bunch of pictures saved. This will probably be quite a few of those.
Okay.
Good. Yeah.
Can you directly copy?
Yeah.
You
So
can right
just
click it
Oh, okay.
and you can just copy it and put it in there.
Okay. Yeah, that works out
Yeah.
well. And
then you add 84.
yeah, so 84 first goes on the right because 81's less, right?
Yeah, 84 goes on the right. If
Yeah,
anything,
you're gonna have to move
and
it
then
afterward.
to the left. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to swing it around.
Yeah. So we'll take a picture of this one first, and then we'll.
The heaps
swing
are only like in order vertically, right? Like the highest row should be less than the one below it, but like the left and right don't really matter.
No, the left and right only really matter
for the null path length.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Just wanted to confirm that.
Yeah, and then we'll swing it around.
This is so convenient.
Yeah, I'll have to send the link for this, so chat. But
Have you guys started on project 2?
Yeah. I'm trying. It's annoying doing things and realizing that there were easier ways to get it done and then having to go back and edit stuff. That has been my experience thus far.
Gotcha.
And then the next one is
28.
28. Yeah. So
actually 28 becomes the root, right?
Yeah. So
yeah,
the way he showed it in the PowerPoint was always a bit weird. Does it start on the right and then go left if you're swapping the roots? Or does it
I
just
think he
start on the
always
right?
had it where it was its own little node in the corner, and then at the end he would make the switch and then have it attach as a root.
Yeah,
Like it would just be by itself.
Yeah.
I think it's one of his very first examples.
New root.
Yeah, this one, this insert in between, I think, where it's like,
yeah,
or this new root right here, same thing.
Yeah, and then he swaps it around. So you start with the 25, then this becomes the root, and then this goes to the right side, and then you swing it to the left.
Mhm.
So
I think it's okay for us to just start it, have it start on the right and then swing left. I feel like it might be a little redundant to,
yeah. And then yeah, and then I'll copy this to the dock. And then go back to leftist heap. We can go now and do 81, 84, 28, then, oh yeah, we need to swing it around. Okay. And then we can take a picture of this and copy it over. And there's 77. So this would go in as a child.
that would just be on the right immediately, right? You added 2, by the way.
Oh, oops. Yeah, so this would go on the right as child.
Mhm.
And then we put this as 77. And then we connect it to the right side. And then this follows the NPL, so we're good. Nope.
And the 11 is another root change, except this one, it just, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll just wait.
Oh. Where's that blue? Yeah, and then we had 11, right? And then you said it's a new root.
Yeah, 11 is a new root, and then it just moves everything over to the left, and the right node on 11 would be empty.
And so first 11, and then everything is to the right of that. I keep thinking I have to save this.
I almost never save them. Also, you can just control C, I think, and it does it automatically if you're
Oh,
in the
nice.
app. Yeah,
Yeah, I have to do that next time.
I think I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure.
And then you can just do that.
Yeah, just try it now, see if it works.
Control C. Control C. And then okay,
It worked. Wait, it did work.
It did? Oh.
I thought it did.
Oh, right, it did.
It just looked like it didn't because it's the same tree.
Yeah. And then we have 78.
78 will just go on the right side.
Yeah.
Then we're good.
78. And then we link the node. And that's not what we want to do. Control C. Control V. Oh, wait. This one goes on the right. And then you have 27. So that will just become this guy's right child.
Doesn't it move up
Oh,
and
right.
swap with 78?
Yeah. Do we I forgot. Do we put it below then swap up, or
I think he only ever swapped it. I don't think you ever put it below. Cause yeah, I don't think he ever put it below.
okay?
Because I remember thinking it was similar to linked lists. I can look through and check, but I'm pretty sure he never showed it. Yeah, so if you go on page 6 of the leftist heap notes, he shows it like separate by itself, and then it's just there for the in between.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So just rename this to 28, 27. And this one will become the 78. And then, yeah, 78, 27. And so we can connect these nodes. Yeah, because we're going to swing this around to the left. Okay. Trying to see. And then we swing it around. Ooh. Control C. And then we go over here. 51 is next. So that comes after the 27.
It would just go on the right side.
Yeah.
Right.
That's okay. So this would be 51. And that down here. And then we'll go to the quiz again. And then we're going to
86
all the way to the right. And so set name 86.
and then it swings left, and then when we add 61, it goes below 51, and then the whole children swap, right?
Yeah, I think so. Because then that tree will become longer.
Mm-hmm.
So that becomes 86. So this is the swing. And then if we go back, now we do 61. 61 is going to go to the right side of that. Now the issue is the NPL over here is 1, 2, but over here it's, or actually.
No, I just meant 78 and 51 children swap, because the right side is bigger than the left now. So now we have to make the swap between 78 and 51.
Okay, yeah. Sorry, I didn't see that. Yeah, so
it is now, right? You didn't have to do it before now. Yeah, it does have to be now, because before now the paths would have been the same.
And then I'll save that.
No need to save it.
Oh, oops. Yeah. And then the final one is where we swap the children.
Right. And this one is just when 86 and 61 move over to 78, right? And then 51.
Yeah.
That works, right?
Doesn't it? Oh, it just swaps places. It doesn't. Okay. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, because we swapped the pointers, so.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can take the final picture. And we are,
No, I need to save it.
oops, and keep,
Your muscle memory is crazy, man.
yeah. Yeah, but I think that's it. I'll add the second question onto the doc. Yeah, and then if you guys want, I'll send the link to JFlap in chat.
Okay. Does it, if it works on a Mac? Well, actually, only one of us needs to do this because the third one is just merging, right?
Yeah, I don't know if we have to set up a diagram for that one though.
Yeah,
And I guess
don't.
if we do, then this would be nice to have.
I think we have to do the diagram for that one, maybe. I
Okay.
don't know.
Yeah, I put the link for JFlap in the chat.
I'm gonna download it, but okay, it works on the Mac, so that's convenient.
Yeah, and then it's gonna be the first option, finite automata or something like that.
Okay. Yeah, I gotta work on mine too. Okay.
Wait, can you say that again? What did you say?
It's gonna be
Oh,
the
I said I
first
got my
option.
working.
Oh no, Jacob said something about.
Oh yeah, when
You
you
said it was the finite automaton. Yeah, that first option, that's what you click on, and then that's how you get the little thing. I can do question 2 if y'all want me to. Oh wait, where's the
yeah, I
document?
put it on the doc.
Okay. Let me just find my stuff because I have way too many tabs open for my own good. How do I share my whole screen? Oh wait, never mind. I keep forgetting it's always the first option in here. Okay. Let me move this over. And so then we have 10. So I think you make this little bubble first.
Yeah.
So name 10. I should have probably gotten a snipping tool, but so I can just do Control C, right? And it'll work.
Yeah, it should.
Okay,
Yeah.
beautiful. And then we go back up here. And then we have 86. That's going to go on this right hand side. Oh, geez. It's going to go on the right hand side.
Yeah, and then once you
Oh, how did I do that? how do I
think
drag
you-
the line?
yeah,
I like this.
and then double space and then enter. Otherwise, it has the weird Y thing.
Okay.
I think that's wavelength.
Oh yeah.
Double
It's-
space and then enter. Okay. Thank you. So I have 86 over here, and then we're going to swap it. Okay. Now we have
77.
77. Okay.
That would just go on the right, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's no need to change anything.
Actually, can y'all read off the numbers and I'll just stay down here so less scrolling on my end.
Yeah.
87 is the next number.
Okay, and that's going to go on the right over here.
We're about to do a swap children.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to come back over here. I can just drag this.
Oh, not quite. I
Oh, or do
mean, we
you
have
mean
to
the
add
77 one?
uh,
Oh, you mean for
so
the next one? Okay.
yeah, sorry, I'm thinking ahead.
Yeah,
Okay.
You just
87.
yeah, you swing left right now, and then right after the swing left, we're gonna add the next number, and then we'll have to
Okay.
swap.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry, I
Mm.
was getting ahead of myself.
All right. And then what's the next one?
25.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, for mine, we just replaced the value, right? So 25 and 77. Or
Oh,
should I?
yeah,
Yeah, because they're
20,
less
25
than.
and
Yeah.
77 are supposed to swap. I totally missed that. Nice catch.
Do I do it like this and then swap it? Or should I not
Uh,
have the screenshot and then swap it beforehand, like have it by itself and then put it in here?
I think you can have it. You can just swap it directly. I
Okay,
think
so
we'll be
then,
fine because we're about to do a swap children anyway. We're gonna swap 25 and 86. So
Yeah.
okay. Swap 25 and 86.
not quite yet. That's the next step.
Okay.
Right now we're just swapping 25 and 77. I was just
77,
saying.
yeah. Okay.
I was just saying that like because I don't think they want us to have like three. I feel like it's pretty clear what we're doing there, so I think we're okay.
Let me move that over there.
Oh, Jacob, what we did instead of that was we started it on the right and then we swung it left, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. So
There.
what we did is we had 27. What was it?
Oh, you mean you move these over here to the right and
Let
then
me
you
see.
swap them later? Like you stop.
Yeah, let me see
Like
how he did it in
I
his.
had,
this.
yeah, I had the 78. Then I moved the 78 to the right and added 27 as its parent.
Okay, so like this, and then afterward, then you swapped it over
Mhm.
like this. Okay, cool.
Mhm.
Let me go back and do that.
Yeah, that's
So
how
the
he did it in the
steps.
PowerPoint. Yeah.
Okay.
You might want to delete the screenshot. Right? I'll delete it. I'll delete it. You're good.
Okay, thank you. There we go.
Okay, and now we do the swap children. So 25 and the 86 swap places.
Let me move this over here.
Wait, do we need to?
We
0.
should. Oh no, we
Wait,
don't.
no, they're
Yeah,
the
we
same.
don't
They're the
yet.
same.
Yeah,
Okay.
And then 1.
it should be on the next one. Sorry.
Yeah.
We would have had to.
Yeah, because I forget that this is a valid
Yeah.
path that you can use. Okay.
Yeah. So the next one is 29.
And that goes here.
Mm-hmm.
No, this we have to swap because.
Yeah. Now the length changed, so we do have to swap.
Okay, let me go ahead and put this here though. All right. And then now, do we swap the whole thing or just, oh wait.
Yeah, so 86 goes on the right.
Yeah, I said this whole table is longer. Okay.
Yeah, so
Cool.
it becomes mirrored, or well, not really mirrored, but.
I kind of wish you could have it set up so it has little like numbers above it for each thing. That would make my life easier, but
Oh yeah.
All right. The next number is 20.
Yeah.
So this one would immediately just swap with 86. So we would just the way we've done it
20?
before
Yeah,
is
so we renamed that one to 86 and then the upper one. Yeah, so that one would be.
or you can just delete the link and swap them around. Either
That
one.
works too.
So I need a screenshot with them like this, and then I need a screenshot where I move it. Or do you just want me to straight move it?
So we move it, but then we swing 86 to the right is how we've done it so far.
Okay. Let me go ahead and do that then. Okay.
And then there's 64, and that can just go to the right of 20.
What's the next one?
17, so we're gonna push 20 down. And then-
Oh, okay. Let me put this by itself up here then.
So when it moves 20 down, does it change the NPL? Yes, it does.
So 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. That extra.
I think we have to change the. Yeah.
So 20 needs to swing to the left of 17.
So 20 swings left, but that, oh, the NPL doesn't change yet. Okay, we're good. We're good. We will have to swap like 2 numbers from now, but we're fine right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there's only one number left anyway, so
Okay. And what's the last one?
49, and that can just go to the right.
Do we need to swap 17 and 25 right now? 1, 2, 3 out, or no, that's 1, 2
No, I think
out.
they have the
Yeah.
same 1,
1,
2,
2
and
out.
then
Yeah,
1, 2.
all right.
Yeah.
We don't need to do an NPL swap. We're good.
All right.
So
Okay.
it actually works on the Mac, and I have it downloaded and open right now, so I can just do the last one.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. And I'll put the last one on the dock. So it's merged the 2 heaps, and then I'll copy the image for the heaps.
So let me know. Oh, you have the image on there. So let me just make that first.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's a little awkward, but okay. So how many? I have 1, 2. Okay, give me a second. This is a little hard to make. So there's 1, 2, and then this one has 2 more children. And then 1, 2.
If you need to, you can zoom out with that little size scroll at the bottom.
You can also make the panel bigger as well,
I'll just do that. And then
and then drag everything over.
I got to move the zoom stuff. It's the zoom stuff that's giving me problems because it's in the way. But let me just do 1, 2, 3, 2. All right, that's fine so far, right?
Yeah.
That's the left one, then the one at the top. Where's it pasting?
Oh yeah, I think you had
It
that.
wasn't. Yeah. All right. 2, 3, 4, 2. All right.
There we go.
Now I got to go through and change each one of them's names. So this one was 2. This one was 13. 5. 1. 7. 3. 3, 37, 37, 3, 3. Okay. Doesn't just. What did I undo? It doesn't undo anything.
Yeah, I'm not really sure how that works. Yeah. I think 53 needs to be on the left. So on the left tree.
Yeah, I couldn't move it around because I was in that specific mode earlier. I'm gonna move stuff around right now to make it look more like his thing. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of the starting one, just so we have something to reference. The zoom bar, of course. Oh, I almost,
Always causing issues.
how do I move this? Okay. I could have just copied it directly onto this if it weren't for the zoom bar. I think there's a way to hide it. Hide floating meeting controls. All right, I'm saved. Let me also minimize this for the future. And now I should be able to there it is. Copy. All right, it's a bit tiny, but it does the job. All right.
Yeah,
So-
technically what was it? We can crop it and then copy and paste it. So
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I'll do that.
So what's the next step?
We
need to
pick
split the right
whichever.
side.
Yeah, we
so
pick whichever route is the like minimum, and then we set that as like our main route, and we detach the right sides of each route.
So this will 2 will be our main route. So this one gets detached and this one also gets detached, you said?
We double check that, but I'm pretty no, the main route, the right side gets detached, but not the other one. So that 3 and the 11 are still connected. And then you pick which is less than this 5 or this 3. And so the 3 is your next
Oh.
minimum route, and then you attach that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
we
to
so
can
the
let me
right side of
just-
2.
Yeah.
I can do it, Jacob, because I think it's easier for me because I can just do this. Oh, wait, sorry, one sec.
Mhm.
Shit. Do it like that, and then I can just drag it on like that. I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but
Mhm.
okay. All right. I wasn't sure if I was only sharing the JFlap or if I was sharing the Google Doc too.
No, I can see
Um,
everything.
Okay. So now,
We merge the 3 because the 3 is less.
yeah, so I'm just gonna copy this over here so we can show that we compared them, and then the 3 moves over to the left, right?
Right, and it connects to that 2, and you detach all the right children of 3.
Why isn't it? Oh, there it is. So before I did, okay, wait. I'll just grab a screenshot of this real quick so we can show that we attached it and then detached it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then let me do the detachment. And then move this over.
So now you do the same thing where you compare 5 and 11 and pick which is the least.
5 and 11, and then this obviously gets moved over.
Yeah, and it gets attached to 3.
But I'm just gonna leave it right there, and then I'm just gonna do that.
Okay.
Except what I wanted to check before I do that is, do we need to do an MPL?
You do it at the very end, like once you attach everything.
Oh, okay. I don't need to worry about MPL right now. All right,
No.
got it. So let me grab a screenshot of this. Let me just move 11 in closer so it's a smaller screenshot.
And then you attach 11 to 5.
Right.
And that's it for that part.
Are they going on new pages? Or am I just doing, oh, I've been doing that. I've been placing them in random places.
Are they not in order?
No, I thought I was placing them in order, but I haven't
Okay.
been. I've been placing them randomly. Let me go sort it out right now. So shoot, this might be complicated. Okay, so there's the first attachment. That's fine.
Yeah.
This is the final
Second
one, so
one.
let me just paste this at the end.
I'm going to crop actually. Yeah, I'm going to crop these and then. Oh wait, do they take the whole page?
No, they've just been going into new pages, I think.
Mm-hmm. And sometimes they sit side by side with each other, and sometimes they're above and below each other. So there's that.
Okay, so this one is fine. And then the next one, we chop it off. That's fine.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one we need to compare. Yeah, we got 3 in there, but we didn't have the one where it's chopped off. So there's one where it's chopped off.
Oh wow.
Oh.
Oh, that's why it was. It was lagging for me.
Yeah. So here we had 3 and 11. And so this comes right after we first placed 3. Right here, right?
Yeah.
And then we need to find the screenshot where we chop off 11 and place it separately. All right, this is the one. So that would be this one. And then we attach 5 without the 11. That's right there. Okay, can you guys scroll through it and make sure it makes sense? I think that's what we just did, but just to double check.
Yeah, so we merged the 11. I mean, yeah, so we cut off the 11, then we merged the 5, then we merged the 11. And then we need to swing it.
Hmm?
Yeah, we haven't sorted it
Yeah, we
yet.
haven't done any NPL.
Yeah, so it goes from 2, 13. Yeah, so 13 and 3 need a swap.
13 and 3.
Yeah.
So
1,
1,
2,
2,
and then actually 3,
1,
never mind.
2. No, they're fine as they are, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they? Well, let's look at the longest path, because do you need to compare the longest path or just the
I
shortest?
think it's just the shortest.
It feels wrong to just leave it, but
Here, I can check the notes again and see.
Yeah, he has it set up where he checks the NPL of every single node starting from the top, which is a lot, but
well, we can compare 13 and 3. So 13
It's the
does
shortest
1,
path.
2, 1, 2. 13's out at 2, 1, 2. Yeah, 3 is also out at 2. So if we compare 31 and 37 are fine. 7 and 5 maybe 1, 2, or 1, 1. Yeah, no, they're fine.
Okay, yeah. It doesn't look
Yeah.
right, but
It doesn't look right, but I checked every node and it makes sense. Like if we compare the left and right of 2, then it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 is out. And for here, it's 1, 2 out. Oh, okay. Maybe right. Wait, it's here. It's 1, 2, 3 out.
oh wait, it's 1, 2. Oh yeah. Okay,
Is
so
there a
three.
way to add?
I think you can. I think you have to like manually like move them, or I guess you can move. What was it? Move 2 and then move 13 to the other right side. So move 2 and then move
Wait,
13 and it's
No, I was just thinking if we need to put this, like if we need to, if there's a way to add numbers to this so we can compare the paths, but here the
no,
longest cost is just like 1, 2, 3, and then you're out. But here too, it's just 1, 2, 3 because it's 1, 2, 3 out, right?
or it's the shortest path for MPL. So for
Mhm.
2, it's 2 on the left side, it's 2 13 37, and that's 2 nodes. For the right side, it's 2 3 7 17, and that's 3 nodes. So we need to swap 3 and 13.
Okay. So let me just,
Oh yeah, I forgot you could drag.
I'm trying to make it so I'll just do with 13 instead. All right, finally selected them. They were like so awkwardly placed. Okay.
There we go.
Any other ones? So this one is 1 out.
Yeah, it's 1 1 for 5.
That's fine.
I think every child of 3 is okay,
Yeah.
or like children and grandchildren, etc.
Yeah.
The
No.
subtrees.
The 3 is good. We just need to check 13.
That
That's
one's
1.
fine.
That's 1. Yeah, I think this is okay now. Let me
Okay.
just. Hopefully I added it in the right place, but I think we're good.
Yeah, because we had to swap them.
Yeah. All right, I will stop screen sharing.
Wait, where did it go? Oh, you put it
I put it at the end.
before.
Did I put it in the wrong place?
Are all the
You
numbers
moved it one above where it was supposed to be. Let me just
Oh, my bad. Didn't
just
mean to.
move it.
I think Google Docs might have done that, or I might have misplaced my cursor, but I think we're good now.
Okay, I changed it. Everything is good now.
All right, I'm just gonna put every new question on a new page, so that way we can just do save PDF from Google Doc and submit each one of those.
Sounds good.
So question 1 is from page 1 through 5. Is that 5? Yeah, page 1 through 5 is question 1. I'm gonna save that. Oh, I made a
1,
mistake.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's 1 to 5.
Yeah, I'm saving question 1. Okay, question 2 is 6 through
11.
11. Okay. I'll get this one too. 6 through 11. And then the last one is 12 through 15.
Yeah.
All right. I will upload everything onto the Google Drive right now.
Yeah, no, I guess I'll start sharing my screen again since I'm going to upload it to the quiz.
Yeah, once you download them, do you want to, I uploaded onto Google Drive. Do you just want to look over them really quickly before we turn it in just to make sure it makes sense?
Yeah. So those are the first one. Yeah.
At 81, at 84, swing left. Whoa, 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 you're going so fast.
Sorry.
No, I think I'm just slow.
4, We swung it, then we had 28 as the new root.
And then we
Then we
swing
swing
that
it
to the left. Makes sense so far.
Then we added 77 to the right. Don't need to do anything with that. And then we added
11 above 28,
Then
and
we swing
then
it to
we
the
swing it
left.
to the left.
Then we added 78 to the right. We don't need to do anything with that. We added 27 in between that. Then we push 78 to the right. But then we need to swing it back to the left to make sure NPL. Then we added 51. That's good.
Then we added 86, which is also fine.
Oh, I think we need to swing it to the left. Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Swing
And then-
it to the left. We added 61.
And then now we need to swap children because
Yeah.
61 makes it longer.
So we swap the children. And it's on the left now. And that's it. for
Wait, 1 second. Did we swap the children? Can you go down?
Yeah. There was 78 was on the left. No, 78 is on the right. 51's on the left, but it was on the right.
Wait, did we just swap 51 and 78?
Yeah.
I thought we needed to swap 28 and 27 if you look at the one above, but
Okay, it's 1, 2, then it's 1, 2.
okay, my bad. I was looking at just the above one and I was like, wait, we need to swap 27 and 28, but when you do the children swap below, it fixes it, so we're good.
And then we'll go to question 2. So we start off with 10. Then we had 86 to the right, but we need to swing it to the left. Then we added 77 to the right. Don't need to do anything with that. It's good. Add 87 to the right. We need to swing that to the left. Then we added 25, so we're going to push 77 to the right. Then we swing everything to the left. And then we add 29, and that's fine. Actually, I think we need to swap. Yeah, so we swung everything to the left. And then we added 86, or no, we added 20, and then we push 86 to the right. Then we'll swing 86 to the left. Then we added 64, doesn't need to do anything with that. Then we added 17, we pushed 20 down to the right, but we need to swing it down to the left. Yeah, that's 1, 2, and that's 1, so that's fine. And then we added 49, and I think that was it. Yeah,
No
that
swing.
was the last number. And then question 3. We had our
First one is just the question repeated.
Yeah, and then we split on the right side. We selected 2 as smallest. Then 3 was the smallest, or next smallest. We added it there. Then we cut 11 off of it, so it's over here. And then we add 5 to the right. And then we add 11 at the very end to the right. And then here, now that
We swap 3 and 13, I think,
Yeah, we swapped 3 and 13.
and that's it.
And then I'll make sure to download all these. Download. And then we can go to the quiz. This file. Go to downloads. Q1. And then Q2. Yeah, we showed all our work. And then Q3. And then we can check to make sure that those respond to the correct questions. Yeah, 3 was a merge. 2 was the second one in Q1 matches, so that's good.
I think we're good.
Yeah, so Q3, Q2, and then Q1. Ready to submit, guys?
Yep.
Okay, I'll submit. And
You might want
then-
to stop recording.
Oh yeah. I will stop recording.